There is a language that doesn't need words. A code that is transmitted through our skin to express how much we love and care for others. It is called human touch. And it's a wonderful thing. What would be of us without touching, holding, kissing, rubbing, squeezing, and pinching? That's what makes us human. But one day, we couldn't touch each other anymore. Suddenly, human contact was too risky, and we were forced to protect ourselves from everyone and everything. At that moment, we knew we had to do something. And we did, creating long-lasting products that not only protect us from all kinds of germs, but it also keeps our skin healthy. But it also keeps our skin moisturized, so we can continue using it the way we love to use it the most, to express ourselves. We present Common Sense and its new image, and we're here to spread human touch again, using only safe ingredients free of poisons or metals that leaves no gloppy, gooey gel residues. So, humans can be human again. Common Sense, allowing human touch.